So you purchased the ASUS computer from Elgiganten. Congratulations! So we're going to do a short introduction on how to build it. So let's go. The first step will be to prepare the chassis.
You may begin by removing both sides, the front and the top of the chassis. There are no tools required. Then remove the metal side cover and the power supply cage. Install the power supply in the cage. And reattach the cage to the chassis. Make sure to use the top position.
The next step will be to prepare the motherboard.
Install the SSD, but make sure to remove the plastic film attached on the thermal pads. Remove the pre-installed Intel bracket and replace it with the AMD bracket found in the box. Pick up the screws from the motherboard labeled AM5 and attach them to the motherboard. You can also find more information on how to install the CPU cooler in the bundled manual.
Let's install the CPU. Now we will prepare all the cables from the chassis and the power supply to the motherboard.
The screws to the motherboard you can find in a plastic bag attached to the chassis. Make sure that all the screws are properly aligned. Attach the chassis fan to the motherboard as well as all the other cables coming from the chassis. More information on which cables goes where you can find in the motherboard manual. You will need to take out 4 cables from the power supply, which will be attached to the power supply and then to the motherboard as well as the graphics card. Begin by attaching them to the power supply.
Okay, so let's install the CPU cooler.
Remove the plastic covers and install the fans on the radiator. Then install the radiator on the top of the chassis.
Now we will install the final components, the graphics card and the DDR5 memories.
Make sure to install the memories in the gray slots A2 and B2 for optimal dual-channel performance. And now it's finally time to install the graphics card.
Now we are almost done, and the final things we're going to do is to make sure that all the cables are aligned properly to ensure good aesthetics and good airflow. Alright, so we're all done. All that is left to do for you now is to install Windows, all your games, and good luck and have fun.